Hi dear friend, welcome back to my channel Bidda. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix charger plugged in but laptop is not charging problem. So before we start the video, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more this types of important video. So let's get start the video. First of all, go to the search bar and type here control panel. Then open this control panel. After that, search here troubleshooting. Then you can see there is troubleshooting option. Just click on it. Then from here you have to find out power option. Okay. After that, click on run the troubleshooter. It will detect your problem and solve it. But if it is not work for you, then let's jump to the another method. In this method, again go to the search bar and type here device manager. After that, open it. Now you can see there is battery option. Just expand it. As you can see, there are two drivers for battery. First of all, make sure these two drivers are up to date. Select driver and right click on it. Then click on update driver. Then choose the first one. Search automatically for driver. As you can see, my driver is already updated. So close it. And like this way, update this second one. Right click and update driver. Then choose the first one. Now restart your laptop and check your charging problem is fixed or not. Okay. If it is not fixed, then again open device manager and right click on this driver and here click on uninstall device and uninstall it. Like this way, uninstall these two driver and after that restart your laptop. Don't worry, these two driver will automatically install after restart the laptop. So friend, I hope any of this method will be fix your problem. If you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching this video.